Impact of point of view on pacing. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of creative writing, specifically focusing on the relationship between point of view and pacing. By understanding this relationship, you can better control the tempo and flow of your narratives, enhancing your storytelling abilities. Before diving into the impact on pacing, let's recap what we mean by point of view. Point of view refers to the narrative perspective from which a story is told. Common points of view include 1. First person. The story is told from the I perspective. 2. Second person. The story directly addresses the reader with you. 3. Third person limited. The story is told about he, she, they, but stays close to one character's perspective. 4. Third person omniscient. The story is told about he, she, they, with insights into multiple characters' thoughts and feelings. Pacing refers to the speed and tempo at which a story progresses. It can influence how a reader feels tension, excitement, relaxation, or urgency. Faster pacing might skip over details to focus on action, while slower pacing may delve deeper into characters' thoughts or the setting. Here's where it gets interesting. The point of view you choose can drastically affect the pacing of your story. Let's break it down. 1. First person. Being inside a character's head can slow down pacing due to the intimacy of thoughts and emotions. However, if the narrator is frantic or in danger, it can also speed things up. 2. Second person. This is an unusual perspective and can create a sense of urgency, often quickening the pacing because it immerses the reader directly into the action. 3. Third person limited. Pacing can vary. It can be slowed down when diving into a character's internal world or quickened if focusing on external events. 4. Third person omniscient. Since the narrative can jump between characters or settings, pacing can fluctuate often. Slowing down to provide insights for one character, then speeding up as the story shifts to a more action-packed scene with another character. The point of view isn't just a narrative choice, it's a tool. By understanding how different perspectives can alter the pacing of your story, you gain another layer of control over how your readers experience your narrative. We hope this video shed light on this intricate dance between point of view and pacing. Happy writing, and until next time.